As we go to make our graph, let's first label our axes so that we know what we're talking about here. So on my x-axis, I'm going to have years after 1997. And this will be 1 year, 2 years, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to then skip because my numbers are getting close together. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we'll call that good enough for now. If you'd prefer, you can fill in the other numbers. Then on my y-axis, I have girls that played high school sports. Now you shouldn't need to do this on your graphs, but for me on this one, because we're jumping up to 2.6 million, I'm going to make a little break in my graph. It says we're jumping from 0 to 2.6. And then I'm going to use 0.05 million for each interval. So then we have 2.65, 2.7, and then I'm going to just count by my 1. So every other line I'll write 2.8, 2.9, 3.0, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, etc. Hopefully you can see that well enough. I'm going to go ahead and fill in 6, 7, 8, 9. I like the way it looks better. Now we can start by graphing our y-intercept, 2.6. So 1 point there. And then instead of counting up by 0.6 each time, I'm just going to use the data points that I already figured out. After 1 year, I should be at 2.66. 1 year, 2.66. After 5 years, 2.9. So start at 5, go up to 2.9. And after 10 years, 3.2. Right there. Now, because I'm holding the camera, I'm not going to use a straight edge, but you should definitely use a straight edge when drawing your lines. See, I missed a point there because of that. And we have our graph.